Oftentimes, the mortgage application process can prove to be overwhelming. With several types of paperwork needed, it can be confusing and stressful for the home buyer. While continuing in the mortgage application process, the lender will also examine the credit report history of the buyer. The lender may reject the applicant if the report reveals a poor credit history. Therefore, the home buyer should seek out and mend any problem areas in the credit report before beginning the mortgage application process. In the mortgage application process, the maximum amount of funding available to the borrower is determined by the lender. The loan amount will be computed using the value of the property and the personal financial state of the applicant. The property's value will be estimated by a real estate appraiser. The lender typically allows the applicant to borrow up to 95% of the appraised value of the property. A down payment is then negotiated along with an interest rate. The applicant should be equipped with proper documentation of their income. Proper tax forms and year-to-date pay stubs are most commonly used. The buyer should also have the purchase contract agreement for the desired property. The time frame for an approval process may vary due to several factors. These factors include the state of the economy, the difficulty level of the mortgage itself, and whether additional information is needed from the borrower. Typically, the mortgage application process, once completed, will last up to 30 days from the date of the original application. If the application is rejected, the lender will usually supply a reason for the rejection. Understanding fully why the application was rejected can be useful when applying with a different lender. Acquiring the information necessary to make the appropriate repairs to the problem areas would greatly improve the likelihood of an approval in the next mortgage application process. Working with a mortgage broker may greatly reduce the stress related to the process, since mortgage brokers are experienced in the application process. Mortgage brokers can help the borrower in acquiring a clean credit history and the proper paperwork needed to improve the likelihood of an acceptance.